Choosing a game engine is very tough, and I have also faced this problem when I started game dev. So this is the full guide on what engine should you choose, and at the end of the video, we'll talk about what is the biggest mistake that wasted 2 months of my precious time. Normal videos give you answer like it depends on what you are making, what type of game it is, and at the end you are confused. So this is the complete beginner's guide. If you watch the full video, you never have to watch any other video on this topic. So like, subscribe and enjoy the video. Unity versus Unreal, the biggest mistake. So in this video, we will talk about what are the graphic capabilities of both game engine and most importantly what engine should you choose if you are starting out. So the first topic is graphic. You have probably listened about people saying that Unreal has good graphics, and they are correct. This means Unity has bad graphic, right? Well, no, there are only some advantages to Unreal when it comes to graphics. But if you are starting out, Unity's graphic is more than enough. Because we know that if you are starting out, your game isn't gonna push the limits of Unity's graphic engine, and then you'll need to use Unreal. So if you are starting out in terms of graphics, there is no need to use the Unreal Engine. And the next topic is what engine should you choose. So if you are starting out, I suggest you Unity, because first, Unity has a larger community than Unreal, because Unity is more popular in indie devs than Unreal. So if you get in any problem in Unity, this is almost certain you are more likely to find the solution on the internet. If compared to Unreal, that has a large community but not larger than Unity. Second point is Unity is easy to use, the interface is good, and Unity is not that complicated to you as a beginner if compared to Unreal, where there are endless features to blow your mind behind any button. And at last, coding language. Unity runs on C# and Unreal runs on C++. And the main thing after you learned any of those programming languages is if you got in any problem, there is more likely that you find the solution of that problem in Unity, in which programming language is easier. So this is your personal preference, that what is easier for you. And if you want a direct answer about what I prefer, then C# is easier to me if compared to C++. Again, it's your personal preference that what is easier for you. And at last, the biggest mistake that I have also done in past and that wasted me 2 months. After you watch to the end, you are never gonna make this mistake again. And the mistake is wasting your time in choosing your game engine, because if you have the talent to make good games, then any game engine is good for you. And if you don't know how to make games, no engine can help you in making that game good, and you will get terrible graphics in the Unreal Engine. So the main thing is learning game dev, not wasting your time selecting the game engine and pray that the game engine is gonna hide your bad game design. And I know there are still some people that want a direct answer about what game engine should they choose. So the answer is Unity. And you know why?